truck turned out real good. I'm just taking the top little layer off with 3005. Went around and hit little nubbins, and that's about it. I'm just doing a quick glaze to it to knock out any little surface nubbins anywhere, and it's gonna get buffed up real quick. It's turned out real nice.
Sanding the back side, getting it ready for paint. This is the last sand right here. Hit it with some 400, and then I'll flip it over. We'll do the face side, and then we'll be ready for paint in the fenders. I'm just doing the final 400 sand right now, trying to find any imperfections or little hits or anything. So far it's looking good, everything's coming out. As soon as I get through with this, it'll be ready for paint.
All I did was knock off all the nubbins and shit like that.
Yeah,
and
they
a little
sure.
bit on it.
Yeah, they look good.
Well, I mean, it's still got its orange peel like the factory orange peel. It's,
Oh yeah.
I don't want to go too far with this truck. It's
Yeah.
not.
No.
It's not a show truck. It's supposed to
Resemble the factory
look. Yeah.
look, and that looks.
So I went over it with 3,000 and 5,000, with 15 on all the nubbins,
Yeah.
anything I can find, and that's all I'm doing.
Yeah, that looks real cool. I don't see any.
I mean, it's still got an orangey texture to it,
Oh, yeah.
but it's not going to get a show finish.
No.
He's coming along nicely.
Yeah.
I can see a perfect reflection of your.
Well, I just went through and really just perfected it out real quick, knocked off some nubbins and little tiny things here and there. I didn't sand it with a coarse sandpaper. I only ran over it. I took little nubbins, I hit with 1500, and then I ran over the whole thing with 3000 and 5000 just to even it all out from where I knocked out little nubbins. And that's it. I didn't want to take too much away from the original reflection of spraying it out.
Beautiful.
Yeah, but I mean, it still hits in different areas, so I try to go around the curve like that. Number two, using the palm of my hand, I can feel that there's actually
still in here, refrun this and sand it all down. Everything's prepped with 400 and clean, but even after everything, we still blowing cracks and crannies and taking things up, and more and more debris, dirt, sand, dust, everything out of that. So it's been a lot of cleaning and getting everything cleaned out. I'm gonna blow it out some more, but if you look around on the floor, you'll see specks of everything. I'm still blowing dust and cracks and crannies out of that roof and out of the holes and out of different things in the rockers, and of really just trying to get it clean. So there you go. The dogs wake them up?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Were they both in the house or just the little shithead?
The little one.
The evil one? Alright, well, I've been seam sealing everywhere, all over this thing. Inside, outside, all through it, all the front, inside, all across there, all up on the roof, up on the top, up on the very top, up on the drip rail, on the drip rail from above, the underneath, all around the back. Let's see, let me get up under here, hold on. Alright, you can see across there some, it's a little awkward. All up underneath, all on the side seams, on the other seams, on the front, all around these, all up in these sides, up in the corners. Oh, sorry, trying, all up in there. It's awkward to get it up in there. Alright, the other side's the same way. Everything all the way down through there. Everything's sealed. All these tops, all the drip rails, all the top and back seam. And all around each one of these places. All in here, along these lines. Everything. All these seams across here, all the top seams across there, all your front seams across all the front, all your lower seams, all in here, all in the corners, all in these. Okay. Alright, I'm getting ready to go home and make something to eat, but it's everybody else left. I had to stay and finish up. Harlan had some family things to take care of this week, so just trying to finish everything up. Turned out good, but it's 8 o'clock, so it's probably quarter after, I think. And stuff looks good, but I'm done. Everything's sitting in here ready to spray the front end. And all the doors have been out there on the table. Let me walk out to them. Hold on. I laid these out here real quick so I could do them. Everything's been primered and ready. And all the seams got laid out. So all the seams all the way around the doors. So all of them are done. Trying to get the inside of the hood south and ready to put paint. The outside half of it's been done. It's ready to finish up the seams and the edges. Alright, we're close. Trying to get her knocked out though.